Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you an update on the Raptor Liner and giving you a sneak peek at the next video to come. It's actually a series I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a series on the Diablo Intune i3 Platinum, and we're going to be learning as much as we can over the next few weeks. I was in the process of making a video today and showing you guys how to update the Diablo Intune i3 Platinum. This happened. So I'm going to finish making that video tomorrow. Today I wanted to come to you with an update and show you guys the Raptor Liner and how it's like. If you guys haven't seen the Raptor Liner video, definitely go check that out. I'll leave like an annotation right here somewhere and you guys can go watch that. So basically I Raptor lined my fender flares, running boards, and yeah, that's it. But I'm just going to give you an update, show you guys how they turned out. It's been a few weeks now. I'm on my way to work, so I'll just bring you guys with me. Let's go. Make sure I have all my stuff. I always feel like I'm forgetting everything when I leave. Sometimes I do. Oh, I got that thing. Always gotta say bye to my boy. I see you tomorrow. Daddy's off work tomorrow. You have a good day. You have a good day, boy. And keep the house safe, okay? Okay, good boy. So for the update on the Raptor Liner, like I said, it's been a few weeks since we've done it and I've had great results. I haven't had no flaking or anything like that. It's a little dirty right now, but I really love how it turned out. Even down here where I put my feet all the time, there's no flaking. And where I painted over the rust, it's still all black. Definitely enjoy how it turned out. I may even put some more coats on it just for more ruggedness, but I don't know. I really like it, so I definitely think it was worth doing, and I'm glad I did it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update, guys. Now I gotta get to work. So like I said, it's definitely worth it, I believe. Gotta buckle up for safety. I should put like a 5-point harness in here. I'm just kidding. That would be so annoying. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video to come. The Diablo series. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be tuning the truck a lot and messing with various features on it. And then after we get done with the Diablo, we're going to move on to the next tuner. So I can't wait to get that done. And also another thing I would like to do is get a wow, what is that? A pedal commander. That's what it is. I couldn't think. Yeah, so I want to get a pedal commander as well and test that out. Now the Diablo sells the pedal commander that works with their tune, but I don't know. I'll have to do some research because when I upgrade to a different pedal commander or a different tuner, I don't know if the pedal commander will still work with that or not, but we'll find out for sure. So let's go ahead and get to work, guys. Well, I gotta get to work. You guys can just ride with me to work. Sound good? Sound good to me. Okay, let's go. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna make you drive with me to work. I don't have my phone window mount. So anyways, I am stuck in traffic at a red light. So I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Also, let me know if there's anything specific you want to see on the Diablo. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys next time.